Hi guys, welcome to another week of our craft challenge. Today we're going to be making some marbled coasters with some paint. So what you're going to need for this week is just some paint. We're using acrylic paint, some type of stir stick or something to move your paint around with, some coasters, or you can do little canvases. These can be wooden, it can be whatever you have. We're using tin foil as a base to not get paint everywhere, but if you want to just do it outside or put down some plastic, whatever you have at home is fine. So how we're going to be doing this today is we're going to be putting the paint just directly onto the coaster. So we'll start with our first color and just kind of make a little circle there. And then you're going to start with your next color. You can do whatever colors and as many colors as you want. And you're just going to make a second circle right in the middle of your first circle. And you're going to keep repeating that with your other colors. And don't be scared to use lots of paint. You're going to end up with a lot of like extra paint, but we want to get some good coverage and some nice good colors on there. So then I have all my circles there. I'm just going to kind of move them around the coaster a little bit just to spread it around and get a little bit more coverage. And then do another layer of circles. And then once you're happy with all of your colors and you've got a bunch of paint on there, you can take your stir stick and start moving it around and swirling the colors into each other in whatever pattern you like. And that's what's going to make it look more marbled. The technique we like to use is starting from the middle and dragging our way out, because it pulls all the colors through each other. And you can do swirls, you can do whatever you want. I'm going to do the same thing. Try and coat the whole coaster with your paint, and you can see the cool swirly design on there. And then what you're going to do after you've done this part, after everything's all coated, you have your cool marble design on there. You're just going to leave it to dry. It's going to take a little while to dry because you have a lot of paint on there and a lot of different colors. So give it a lot of time to dry. Then you can just seal it with like a lacquer spray or something like that, and then it's all good to go and you can use it as a cool coaster. So join us again next week for another craft challenge. See ya.